Hello, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Well, this is not just another news update. This is serious conversation about South Sudan, about justice, about peace, leadership, and the pain of ordinary people. Today, we bring you four major national stories that are shaping the future of the country. First, we will talk about a powerful court testimony involving First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and the deadly Nasser attack. And second, we'll talk about President Salva Kiir Mayardit, a message of peace as he began official duties in 2026. And third, we'll talk about a long-awaited reconciliation between two Arab leaders after 5 years of conflict. And finally, we'll talk about renewed violence in Unity State affecting IDP camp and vulnerable civilians. Well, these stories are connected by one thing: the struggle between conflict and peace in South Sudan. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with court testimony on Nasser attack. Today, January 5th, 2026, we start with a very serious case being heard in Juba. A survivor of the Nasser military garrison attack on March 2025 has testified in court. His words have shocked many South Sudanese. The witness is Sergeant Mayen Kolchan. He was a bodyguard to the late Major General David Majordak, who was killed during the Nasser attack in March 2025. He appeared before the court during its 35th session at Freedom Hall in Juba. This court is handling charges against First Vice President Dr. Machar, the suspended First Vice President, and 7 other accused persons. According to Sergeant Mayen Kol, Dr. Riek Machar personally ordered the distribution of 4 military tanks after the Nasser garrison was attacked. The witness told the court that First Vice President Dr. Machar called General David Majordak on the phone after the attack. During that phone call, First Vice President Dr. Machar reportedly said the tank would not remain with the government forces. Instead, the tank would be shared among the SPLIO forces and the Nuer Army militia group. The witness say Dr. Riek Machar clearly mentioned a specific sub-clan of the Jikany Nuer community. He told the court that 1 tank was for SPLIO, 1 tank for Sheleng, 1 for Sheyol, and 1 for Sheminyel. These testimonies suggest direct involvement at the highest political and military level. Let's look at the promise of safety. Sergeant Mayen Kol also say Dr. Riek Machar promised safety. According to him, First Vice President Dr. Machar told General Majordak that he and his bodyguard would not be harmed, they would be safely escorted, and a UN helicopter would evacuate them. This promise, the witness say, was never honored. What happened on the ground was the witness described how events unfolded in a painful and disturbing way. According to the report, on March 7, 2025, an SPLA-IO commander, Brigadier General Kwang Mayom, arrived at the scene. He took control of the 4 tanks. Earlier, the Nasser County Commissioner, senior SPLA-IO officer, and Nuer Army leader Kang Makan Adore visited the captured garrison. They ordered General Majordak to surrender his weapon. Later, Brigadier Kwang Mayom demanded the general pistol and his long-range radio. The general complied. The killing of General Majordak. When 2 UN helicopters arrived, there was hope. General Majordak was badly injured and could not walk. According to the report, SPLIO soldier carried him toward the helicopter, but Halfway there, the situation changed. The witness said the soldiers suddenly threw him down. Gunfire erupted. General Majudak was shot and killed. Chaos followed. According to the report, Sergeant Mayen Kol ran for his life. After the killing, the witness was captured by the Norway army fighters. They demanded $10,000 from his family for his release. His family could not afford that amount of money. After negotiation, the ransom was reduced to $6,000, which was paid. Only then was he released. Dr. Machar and the co-accused face very serious charges, including murder, terrorism, treason, conspiracy, destruction of public property, crime against humanity. Prosecutors said 257 SSPDF soldiers were killed during the attack. Military equipment worth $15 million was destroyed or taken. The case continues with cross-examination scheduled for January 7, 2026. This testimony raises a deep question about accountability, trust, and justice in South Sudan. And let's move on. President Salva Kiir Mayardit called for peace. Now we turn to the presidency. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has officially resumed work for year 2026. This morning, President Salva Kiir arrived at the State House after the Christmas and New Year break, and he was welcomed with the Guard of Honor, senior official, vice president, ministers, security chief. In a statement from the office of the president, Salva Kiir Mayardit called on South Sudanese to renew commitment to peace, strengthen unity, work hard to improve the country. He thanked citizens for their resilience, saying people have endured many hardships. The president promised that his administration remain committed to addressing national challenges, improving service delivery, promoting stability. Why this message matter? This call for peace comes at a time when courts are hearing war crime cases, communities are still divided, and violence continues in part of the country. Many South Sudanese are watching closely to see whether word will be followed by real action. Let's move on. Warab leader reconcile after conflict. Warab leader reconcile. Let's move on to this report. In a rare moment of hope, we bring you a news of reconciliation. According to the report, two powerful leaders from Warab state have ended a conflict that lasted 5 years. So we reconcile. Salvatore Gareng-Mabir, former Minister of Finance, and Joseph Lual Ashwil, former Minister of Humanitarian Affairs. Their disagreement began in 2020 and deeply affected the Kwach Ayo community, according to the report. On January 2nd, a reconciliation ceremony was held. The feud officially ended. Joseph Lual Ashwil stepped down as a community leader. He endorsed Salvatore Gareng-Mabir, who was installed as the new leader. Governor Bolwerk Agos welcomed the reconciliation. He said it is a major step toward unity, healing, and peace. And he urged and others leaders to resolve differences peacefully, put community first, stop personal conflict from harming civilians. This story shows that dialogue is possible. Let's move on to another sad news. Violence in Unity State. We now turn to Unity State, where violence has returned. Where did clash happen? Between January 3rd and January 4th, clash erupted in Rupkona County, Gwit County, and Bentiu IDP camp. Civil society reaction. A civil society organization strongly condemned the violence. They say civilians were terrified. Displaced families suffered again, and social stability is under threat. Many of these families have already lost everything. The group called on army group to stop fighting, authority to restore calm, and security force to protect civilians. They also appeal to the international community, regional organization, and UNIMIS to fully protect civilian and property. Unity State has seen repeated cycle of violence. And civil society say enough is enough. In conclusion to this report, South Sudan stands at a crossroad. Justice is being tested in court. Peace is being spoken from the presidency. Reconciliation is possible at community level. And violence still threatens the most vulnerable. The future depends on choices. Leaders choose responsibility, community choose unity, army group choosing peace, and institution choosing justice. At Changfied YouTube channel, we will continue to tell the truth, amplify voices, and stand with the people. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more independent news. Biya Kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel bantin kon lat ko en gwasa banakaling. Kan kono nyam gwasa me mi jirama jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjen ojen. There subscribe ko the notification bell der je twain ko mi chete mi barida sha mala shi bikiji. Batin kon tillo roden ko de link banakaling ka jen larame. Jo nyam bana ko en gwasa me bana ro ka kwi first vice president Dr. Machar. Lugan cha luga. An wale a shanka di ka paikel ronkina dangrawi di jandangrawi di ban mandan chore lad ban jelim gwasame te ga jo machalat gwasame ka jo machalat netin kontilan nin netilan nin tilan nin dien ka tai dan chikorche to gaje an wale cha court ki luk cha nyom to gaje ka kwi kore dan chi to ga Nasser Ramkel michi survive ki chi tek michi kare kore dan ka Nasser military garrison ka wi yara du ka pai dio ron kin dangro jandangro de dich che testified in waleka court jo chalat gwasame che ne tumare wi ka South Sudan che ka gai tane go jela ka tane go ke jela tok ramalan nin chola surgeon mayen cholkan mayen kolkan surgeon mayen kol chan Jene bodyguard ladung late Major General David Majudak gang a bodyguard gwade cha David Majudak cha jenek tere wika Nasser jen che chong niam lokan wale ka luken den dok with the dien ka freedom wall re wika juba en luka mo letken charges ke duere kone cha queen we first by President Dr. Machaten kanane dang baro tinteka kel tin la GSPLA IO la senior officer ke senior SPLA IO officials kajo chala the surgeon mayen call chala do ne Dr. Machar che order che jitop jen chi Dr. Machar che order che jitop ano ba military tang ke di ba dangwan ba ka dak rewi ke Nasser la military tang dangwan techa kef ka garrison why jenishi first vice president ki Dr. Machar che order che jitop no ba ka dak and would me che code jogo no ne ki ni kon lat kuluk no first vice president Dr. Machar che ro ken general David Majuda ke telephone ka korke me che kor che twok gwade ro ketin che la do ne chi Dr. Machar che order che to no kan tang ki de bam ni to kadut kuma bank pin government force bank pin chwa nan karo dim kel che la do ne kan de bam ni to ishi Dr. Machar jela no ba ka dak ka bon ba ka dak ka SPLA force kan Norway army militia group ka jo chalat gwase me me jela do ne ci Dr. Machar che men chenen o ba ka da ka dor nuare ke tub jole nuare kene de kone ci kan kalat gwasme kene ka jikay nur community che ko jogo wude me shire Machar che la no ken de bam ni ka da ka jeni de bab kel ba kam SPLA de bab kel ba kam shelen de bab kel ba kam sheyol ke de bab kel ba kam sheminyal en testament mishit kene me jeni che ci Dr. Machar che jalat jeni che riek Machar che jalat no kan de bamni ka daka so michi kan me we mean that a highest political and military level dong me dem wag de ka dak so na me ci kol che jalat no surgeon mayen kol che nyola de wonene jeni ci chu Dr. Machar chu ko promise ka safety tering buto mo yen ma je taw yen ka to according to kola alama yen kol che la de wonene Dr. Machar che general Majuda ke jogo no ne jen and Gerald Majuda kene bodyguard terambe ka ham ke terambe ke nak no jene ba kanang ke ba ke score terambe maj be yot kan wer wayami ba kanang ka UN helicopter gwada dan ba ke evacuating ka jo dan chalat no chinne na mo chala do ne na would right kon ka kwide me no am chalke mayen kolene chala do ne na me chi the first vice president Dr. Machar che promise jala dan wenamo jene kan kana won onna ke kana wo losan odore che to beno cha na cha gapanak chala do ko kore me chi to ga jene ring midi ka shanga baro ka pa dio ko kin dangro jan dangro di chu kuma SPLIO commander brigadier general Kwang Mayom wacho chu gwada dane to weje cha dictating gwada te torbiel dan wan la fotang ala dibam dan wan e jene chu Kwang brigadier general Kwang Mayom chu bu wenamo no ne kenyam Nasser County Commissioner Senior SPLIO officer kana nora y army leader Kang Makane wa chika chubon gwada mo already kajan Garrison cha kep nora y army jenen wenamo chua general Majuda chua order eno ku surrender ko ku meku ku goto jene ka kore brigadier Kang Mayom chula rune ne be kwak majur be ka kan chua general David Majur chua pistol ke mai de chwanang ka chua general David Majuda i jene ka chua mai de chua radio de me bar la long range radio man na yot ka jenan chua la chere ga tray chwanang no ajani chu general chu comply ke request to talk in chalat wa chu ko to by a judge ke jodan kan lat me chi tu an helicopter chi chu bon gwatamo e chonyo don wodong deneti de ka ken general Majuda kan gwasamo take a bod me kap ke me cha order chai to bono jinanga kare nyal wa chwa ju kap e de nya SPLIO chu SPLIO so de chu kan yo kap chu kan kap gwadan helicopter ten wa ka kore chu ma chu yot ka chu de nen me chu la do chu general David Majuda chu ayu yorpin jenen gwad ma chu situation chu back ka chu ngaro den chu gar en gwasa ma chu kor yo to ka chu David Majuda chu yorpin ka chu general Majuda chu ayu nan en wenmo jen chu rek chu yo to jen korten jene ka kore nen me jene yan mi ci korche tuoko en sergeant mayen ko le ci kula kan man ci survive ajenen wen ma sha kap ajenen sha capture nor why army do no ajenen kananak cha jogo no jin ba jelwel ka yuti $10,000 yuti kin dang wel $US ba ga yor fini che mori ba ji kula pal na ajeni ka kore shu right ke family de ka jene shu family de shu ay jogo no gor ka $10,000 nor why army ko ba ji kula don ke charge banak jene ka kor mi na matwok chuche manjela no tele ka yuti $10,000 teniken ke $6,000 jene yuti $6,000 to chwa yorpin at this point can no question and would me and in which way cha yuti chobo kanedi kola no why army kana la no mo but jene $6,000 chi chop kanedi ko ne charge cap ngoda bana me ba lat ka kore ngai kone first vice president Dr. Machar kenne gadang bro cha gwan kel cha gwan ke liane ente kone chiliu kano kenne chi ke terrorism chi kana lat eno no kie chi kan wet chi kana non kore tungwan kere tungwan alat widian emenu dak kwang ne ti dialati cha la widian cha nyo le widian bon wone ne do be nakke de ni ku dangro je de barobo la de ne SPDF soldier te chanek e wa ya kan la de mone nyok cha nyo le widian no ken she can make the shop making one to take a UT a million to shop $58 million they shall destroy Kametaton. So much in America core, which would make a witness testify cage and ende, Kameda talk, Kanika Chakalati Ladakandial, they shall talk a watch coordinating Jayu, Nomakap, Kajok, Kachanga Baro, Kapaikel, Ronkin Dangro, Jandangro with a buckle. Then Changadan and by cross examination by your Latin, cross examination. You the general ba wude me miche kain chi la da ba jo tik jen changa mo anetin kon tin tila different lawyer Dr. Machar kan ne ka dang baro so ne me agenda an le rode ban changa baro ban jeli wana ka store mu da dien gwasa me president Salva Kiir ma yadi da wajen chamal che de chore which ka juba waka je la da wale che we ka muktab den Salva Kiir ma yadi no che la che nyom to je 2026 karun wang che president Salva Kiir ma yadi che right kana ka state house la da jen wone ne ka do be dan che Christmas cha jalat ka je kana new year no che la do wone ne gwada dan gwa da na shubitin chalur ne tin wan ne tin content gang ka je ne de ko la senior official ne de ko la vice president ni te tin kana kwar kana ministers ka security chief kan dial gwa da we ka state house ka jamo chwa je loten ka jo chalat gwa se me chalado ne ne ajeni choro commit ko bi malbaben ajeni gor jeno bi unity betwano kai jeno gor jeno be country ba je kam nial ki bina let along so ne me mi self kim yadi chajalat tel mi cha address ka ki kurana to wana ka jawdo den gwasa me te ka kwadang ro ti ga tor chal ko warab state ka gwad mi chiwa wa shikaro den nyokalo marka kwal salvatore garang mabiyor kana kwad den mi chal ga jo sablo ala shil warai na shi kam ni kana lak chika te kamal kan jang karo den name amila roda name chade to kon wer chikan mal chikan nok bad jang te kan kamal ko ngai kene kor di japene wana kalar den gwasa me ka kwiri ka dana chi to dor shal ka me unity state ka unity state ka jo chalat gwasa me chi korche to kina mangai kone ka chang ka diok ka paikel ka ne chang wan ka paikel ron kina dangro bakel kore chi to dor shal ka rup kona county with county kana bento idp camp kam de ne spla yo kana de ne sspdf civil society organization chi kana condemn amishir kana me chikala do je wech nang yarlong ki chiga terrify kare ga dan chitwok ne tungwan chika chu ne de kone cha displace koromo anyok law tigna chetere ka ko gwan kwach ka metin re civilian wa beje long ami bej ne tungwan tin la family sen winimi ke jidore chika kwa ken chikan kabat chika riar they lost everything gwasa me jo kanet kontin la sspdf kana spela iwon de ka kor de kana palakan jo kan ne diala kontin te kan luang ka spela iwo kana sspdf no de yeno no mal de yen ma de yen la de ya right ko de mal de ben ko kor tel mun la nonga kor nonga ne destruction gwas me shi ne kontin la civil society group chi nyom shot kan shol kan international community shol kan regional organization shol kan di uni misano gangane tin kontin la civiliani ganga kwakien ganga tegdien ko telemi bikanak chikala do ne civil society group akane enough is enough akane kor de jogo kapchong de mal de ko ben so pray jeremy mi cha to beken re wichin binami ka so Sudan ko do brande mal de ben geje mi jirama jirit gwasa me ka Changfied YouTube channel gore jeno din der channel der je support der subscribe ko der notification bell der je twine ko mi temchi bare da shamar shi bakaji an bana je kala rodin ya ta kamal